Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with day 22 feeling blue. Back with day 22 of 31 days of beauty. I'm so excited for this particular look. As you guys can probably see from the title, this is the third and final look from the Hocus Pocus series. I did a look with the first one, with the second one, and now I have in my possession the third palette. Now, funny story, I had a look played out. I was like, oh, I'm feeling these greens. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do a green look. And I had to think, I was like, sis, you did a green look with the first Hocus Pocus palette and the second Hocus Pocus palette. We're not doing another green look using another Hocus Pocus palette. It hurt my feelings because I really wanted to try this green, because I will say for all of the palettes, there is a different color story. And I don't see any repeats of these greens in the other palettes. So that dark green right there, oh, I was like, oh, I want to try it, but we're not. Okay, so yeah, I can think of numerous looks. I thought the first palette was my favorite, but I think this one might be my favorite. I love the size of the eyeshadows. I definitely love the color choices in here. You do get a little bit, and I do mean a little bit of a neutral in here, just boop, boop, right here, okay? Which is good for the melanin girls. I'm just saying, that's good for us. Oh my god, okay. I think I definitely want to go Halloween theme with this because it's Halloween colors in here, which is the orange, the green, and the purple. So let's Halloween theme it up. So let's go ahead and jump into this look. Alright, so the first shade I want to go in with, I'm going to go in with this purple. And I'm going to pop Miss Observe in my crease with the eyeball. Alright, I want to try a little bit of this brown shade. I think it's brown. Yeah. The more I look at her now, I'm like, are you really brown? I don't have any other shade I feel that would work on blending this color out, so. I definitely don't think this is a brown. I think this is, it's giving something, but it's not a brown though. It's not a brown at all. It did blend out, but I want to add a little bit more color to my crease. I want to go in with that orange shade. I think that will help me. Okay, that made it look very doo-doo-y. Do not do what I just did. Do not. Oh my god, it looks like doo-doo crust. We're not going to do that. We're going to finish blending it out with that brown looking color. That was awful. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to apply a little bit more base on my lid. Alright, and I'm going to go in with that metallic purple. Let's pop her on. I didn't even apply her wet, but she's very, very much so pretty. Alright, going back in with that dark purple. Just gonna brush it towards the outer. Okay, I'm missing something. I don't want to do an all purple look. That's gonna be boring. Let me put this black in my waterline. I'm going to take that dark green shade right there, and I'm going to put that on my lash line. Okay, that's giving something different. I have no clue where I'm going with this look, y'all. I'm going to do a quick wing to get the full effect of this look. Because right now, my crease is looking very dark. I guess that's Halloween theme-ish. I don't know. Let's finish it though. Let's finish it. Okay, it's looking very Halloween. I give it that, but I feel like I'm missing something. I will say right off the bat, I do not like this matte. I was about to say matte black, but it's not a black. that matte purple, I feel like muddy, because I didn't even do the same thing like I did on this eye where I messed up. I didn't do that. I did not do that, but it's still giving me a muddy effect, and I'm just not here for it. Okay, Colourpop. We don't need no more Hocus Pocus palettes, okay? I think gotta run out of color story themes, okay? So we all hocused out, okay? So no more, baby. Let this be it, because the color story, it looked it fine, but this formula is not Colourpop's formula at all. It's not. And I'm not here for it at all. So I'm over here trying to clean up, make it look a little better. It's giving me a heart attack. It's giving me a nervous breakdown type of vibe. Maybe I feel different if I would have a different way with the color story, but it is what it is. But I think I know how to finesse this really quick. I want to pop on some glitter. Glitter fix up every freaking look. So I have this Glow Up Academy glitter. It's a purple chunky glitter. And I'm just going to put her right on top, okay? Right on top. Glamour. We're going to glamourify this. The thing is, I don't want that much glitter on. Just something like that. Okay, that's it. Glitter fix everything. I kid you guys not, glitter fix everything. All right, I'm gonna do a thing. I hope I don't regret it, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this right in the inner. And I'm gonna pop that shimmery orange. Let's give it more of a Halloween theme look. So I got the metallic one on, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the matte to blend out with the purple. That is very Halloween themed. Okay, mascara real quick. All right, I don't think you guys can tell, but after applying mascara, that dark green was looking too dark. So I just applied a little bit of that shimmery green, and I pretty much, let me just show y'all because I can do it again. And I just brushed it right underneath like that, just to brighten up that green just a little bit. This is looking a little too dark for me. And I already have my face on, obviously I've been through that. It's pretty much everything that I use for yesterday's look. Just check out that video if y'all want to see me apply the products on, but everything will be listed down at the bottom if you guys are interested. Right now I'm just applying a little bit more of some powder. So I did have a little bit of fallout, but I learned this is like a little bootleg trick that I can, you know, without having to reapply my concealer, my foundation, and all that, you know. New, brand spanking new. All right, for my lips, I was gonna go for a black lip, but that black lip was hard to take off, and I don't want to put it on if it's not gonna go with the look. So I'm gonna stick to my original, my neutral lip. Let's do that. Going in with my pencil that's left. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this Stila lipstick. It's such a really pretty nude. I'm just gonna pop her on the lips. Alright, and then I'm gonna gloss her up with this pretty Colourpop gloss. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. It's okay to be a little different. That's all I'm telling myself, because I'm like, oh, this color story is definitely different, but I have to understand that it's okay to be different, you know. But it's grown on me. I definitely like the little pop of orange, just bringing out this look, because at first it was looking so dark, but in the wrong way, and this glitter definitely topped this look off, okay? It needed it. It really did need it, the whole shebanger. So I hope you guys like it. Hope y'all give this look a try. And if you guys got any of the Colourpop Hocus Pocus collaboration palettes, let me know down in the comment section which one is your favorite. Being that I have officially tried all 3 of them, I thought this was going to be my new favorite, but I still got to stick to the original. The first one is definitely my favorite still, and I think it's because of the different ranges of colors that was put in that palette compared to this one and number 2. So I definitely feel like number 2 and this one has some similarities of the oranges being in here, and I think greens and purples, right? Is it the sex? I'm more tripping. Yeah, I think it's the same color story. Except for that palette, the greens look more bluish, but it's the same orange, purple, blah 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 blah. It's the same thing. So Colourpop, thank you for the 3rd and final one. We don't need no more Colourpop and Hocus Pocus palettes. There's nothing else out there to don't, okay? I can't even get it out. This is it, okay? We know y'all known for just throwing out so many different repeat palettes, kind of sort of, but this was cool. I like the packaging, very cartoon-ish. The packaging is very funny. I still haven't seen the actual new Hocus Pocus movie at all, but probably around Halloween time, well, this Halloween time, but probably Halloween day, I'll probably sit back with my little ones and watch it as a family activity. But yeah, All Hallows Eve. I didn't even figure out what's the name of this palette. Is it Hocus Pocus 2? Or is it called All Hallows Eve? Which one is the name of this palette? I don't know. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about her. She is cute, okay? She's giving me Halloween vibe, but I kind of get like a weird spring vibe from it. And I'm definitely glad that I added that shimmer green at the bottom, because it's definitely opened up this look a lot more better. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Y'all make sure y'all come back tomorrow, okay? We're not done yet. I still got some more videos to throw at you guys. I got some good palettes at the very end, so y'all make sure y'all come back. There is going to be a couple of repeats that I used from last year, 31 Days of Beauty, and then of course some more venture out new palettes that I haven't tried, okay? So be sure you guys come back tomorrow and support your girl, okay? I would greatly appreciate that. But you guys all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.